missed the unboxing.
The unboxing of the drone.
It is at less than 250 grams.
Hopefully you don't crash this one.
Yeah, I didn't ever think that I would really ever use a drone. And then B got me a drone for Christmas, and I tried it. I was like, this is cool. I actually really like this. So then I got a nicer one. Yeah, it's exciting.
All right, first off, Craig left these in the car overnight. They were for his parents?
Yeah, they were for my parents. I thought that Kara grabbed them, and then they didn't. I don't know, they blend in with the back seat. Maybe that was it. But
Anyway, you just noticed.
You were telling me that I should try one, though?
Yeah, I think you should try one.
I mean,
the camera.
Because, I mean, it's been left out since yesterday, like around this time.
Yeah.
So that's definitely not good bacteria-wise.
What is it, 2 o'clock maybe?
I'll just try a bite.
Do it. It's not as crispy, is it?
Mm-mm. It still tastes good.
Yeah, I figured it would.
I think usually if it tastes and smells funny, that's when you're in trouble. But
you just got to put that back in the air fryer.
Mm-hmm.
Cold pizza on Tuesday. I got food up in the fridge. Y'all keep looking for that new way.
Pizza pie in the sky.
Here we are at Pizza Wizard, which isn't an all-vegan pizza place, which we were looking for, but we couldn't find any that were open on a Sunday. This is what we got. This was the deep pizza. This is how they make pizzas there, and it was delicious. Banana peppers, vegan chicken, vegan pepperoni, and we actually split this one. And these are the seitan wings, which were delicious. A little bit spicy for me, but not bad. And then they actually put the cheese on first with the sauce on the top. I definitely would eat that again. It was delicious. And these were the buffalo wings.
It's a Sunday, so a lot of things are closed. But on this Sunday, we're going to go get a sundae.
And here we are at Lugia's or Lugia's. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. It's the ice cream stand. It's got kind of like a 50s theme to it. A lot of people were here. It was a hot day. And here's what I got. I know you can see a little green sprinkle there that probably wasn't vegan. I took that off, don't worry. But I got this cookies and cream almond milk based ice cream with some cookies and chocolate syrup and peanut butter syrup on there. It was pretty good. Craig got a little bit of strawberry ice cream with the cookies and cream.
The peanut butter and the chocolate syrup is good.
Good thing I said peanut butter.
Yeah, I would have not known that they even had that. But I also like having the strawberry underneath the cookies and cream.
Right.
I like strawberry ice cream a lot.
I wish they had chocolate.
We have very similar ones, but you just got the cookies and cream instead of the strawberry.
Right, and I got nuts.
Mm-hmm. What are you, nuts?
I had to get a quick shot of this because that's the car that I had when I was in Florida when I was 19 years old.
Pizza and ice cream. The American dream.
It's a good Sunday.
Well, the sundae was really good. Pizza was really good.
Yeah.
The pizza was really good. The wings were good, but they were a little bit spicy.
Oh, yeah, I liked them. I think the pizza definitely was like the highlight of today. The people who were doing the ice cream, they definitely didn't really know what vegan was because they were like, "Oh, what's in the vegan sundae?" Like, "Oh, there's like M&Ms, peanut butter cups." Like, okay, so that's not vegan. And we're probably like the first vegans you guys have coming through here. Otherwise,
well, at the pizza place too, you asked for the different sauces
on
the wings, and he's like, "Oh yeah, honey, it's vegan unless you don't eat it." We're like, "Yeah, we don't eat the honey."
Yeah, because it said the hot honey, and I was like, sometimes it just says hot honey, but there's no actual honey in it.
They were like, "There's some vegans, that eat honey, and some vegans that don't." But guys, here's the secret: no vegans eat honey. If you eat honey, you're not vegan.
Oh, I was gonna say people should buy these vegan zombie shirts because I've had this one for a couple of years, and part of the reason I like it is because of the graphic, but then also it's just like Chris, he'll probably tell you, is very picky when it comes to like the material that he chooses for his t-shirts, and it's just like it's like a high quality shirt, so I like it a lot.
I'm glad you do.
Thoughts.
I'm glad you like that. That's what I made them for, so people could wear them and be comfortable in them, and also, so there'd be a cool little design.
Yeah.
Anyway, link below if you guys are interested. Over and out.
Watch out for zombies and buy a t-shirt.
We'll see you later.